I'm going to give you 3 recruiting secrets to help you in your network marketing recruiting so you can get your next 5 customers. By the way, my name is Cody Dean. I help network marketers grow their downline online, and these tips and secrets that I teach, I give all to you for free. And if you love network marketing passive income, make sure you click subscribe to this channel for more free trainings just like this one. I've been able to attract over 5,000 people to my network marketing business because I understand the principles of marketing, and these are the 3 secrets that I recommend that you learn in order to be able to sell more in your business. So number 1 is you need to understand the awareness that your prospect is at, okay? There's a couple levels of awareness. There's pain aware, there's problem aware, and then there is solution aware. And this is why I recommend network marketers don't post about your products online, because that is the solution to a problem and the pain. And most people on social media are not solution aware. They're most likely pain aware. Okay, let me kind of take this step back here for you to help you understand this a little bit more. Okay, the reason why people buy products or solutions is because of the solution or the product. It will solve a problem that that person has. Now, here's the thing. Most people don't understand really what problem they have. They are so busy living their life, going from point A to point B, that they don't even understand what their problem is. But what most people do understand is the pain that they're in, right? So if you talk about the pain on social media opposed to the product that you have, talk about the pain points that people have, they will be so much more interested and aware of you because you can actually speak to them and talk to them. If you start talking about products and solutions, and you're only going to get a very small percent of the market that is actually solution aware, okay? Most people need to go through these 3 stages before they can even buy your product. Majority of people are in this stage here. They're just pain aware. They don't even know why they have a pain. So if you could just talk about a pain that they have. For example, my friend, he has this major pain in his back/hip, and it's causing like headaches and stuff like that. Like, he has a lot of pain, okay? If I went and started talking about this certain thing that I have that can solve those problems, he wouldn't make the connection that, hey, this can actually solve my problem. But instead, if I say, hey, do you have this problems with your joints? Do you have this pain in your nerves? Do you have this and this and this? The reason why you have this pain is likely because of this problem that you have, okay? So you talk about the pain to get their attention, and then you say, hey, the reason why you likely have this pain is because of this problem, right? It could be you have a pinched nerve, you probably have some joint, your cartilage is probably wearing down, whatever it is, right? If you want to learn 3 tips or whatever it is you can post about, right? I can show you some ways to solve your problem. And then you can actually have people DM you for the ultimate solution to their problem, okay? So understand pain point versus problem versus solution. I go over this in extreme detail in my 5-day digital recruiting challenge. So if you want to go more in detail with this, you can join the 5-day challenge. It's free down below for network marketers, affiliate marketers, and direct sales. So when you are out there on social media, the secret, number 2 secret is you need to understand that there are searchers and there are scrollers on social media, okay? A scroller is someone that is just scrolling to pass time. Maybe they're just looking to be entertained. They're not really looking for anything, whereas a searcher is someone that's looking for something specifically, okay? And so this is where you need to be strategic in your posting. And most of the time, network marketers right now, if they're posting on social media, like on TikTok and Reels, Instagram, Facebook, really almost every single platform is all heavily on the scrollers, okay? Meaning everyone on there is just on there because they're on there. They're looking for just some dopamine hit, and they're not really looking for anything specifically, okay? So when you're posting, going back to secret number 1, which is understanding pain points, understanding problems, and understanding solution awareness of where your people are. If someone is just scrolling, they are going to be, the way to get their attention is to focus on a pain point. Say, hey, are you a runner and you have the pain in your joints? You need to listen up. There's 3 things that you're doing that are causing pain in your joints. Let me tell you about the problems that you have, right? So you see how I talk about the pain, you have this pain in your joints. Let me tell you why you have pain in your joints. And then I'll tell you about the solution later, okay? And then searchers, they probably are already aware that they need some kind of supplement, or they need some kind of way to help with inflammation. And so they might be looking for a solution. And these people are the best type of people to go after, in my opinion. So if you can make content that is search related, maybe on Pinterest, maybe on YouTube, maybe even on Facebook, in like a Facebook group, have your group be something that's searchable, like how to runners helping with joint pain, right? Helping runners with joint pain group, right? You could have a whole group just about runners and helping them with joint and helping them run faster, things like that. It's all search related. And people that are searching on Facebook, they'll be like runners group. They can find a group that's all about search. Okay. If you post about search related things, that type of content will live long. Like you could work today and it will work for you 7 years from now, 8 years from now, potentially, right? So there's a lot of ways to do search-based content, or there's scroller-based content, which is a little shorter lived, but you get like a high spike of search. Kind of think of like a Twitter post, like someone tweets something and then, or a thread, it might get seen by 100, 200, 400 people, and then it's dead. Like no one will ever see that post again. Okay. There's the searchers over here searching for things like a runner group or how to solve a problem. And then there's scrollers over here that just see something and then it's here today, gone tomorrow. Okay. Secret number 3 is you need to understand sales funnels. There are manual sales funnels and there are automatic sales funnels. Okay. Now, whether or not you believe in sales funnels, you are currently you are using a sales funnel manually, whether it's like you're DMing people, you're sending them a video, you're then following up with them, how do you like your video? Then you are then training them, hey, you need to go and do this, you need to post this, you need to train your people. It's all done manually, right? And that is a sales funnel. Or you can do an automatic sales funnel or a passive sales funnel, which is going to be more something that builds on itself over time. It's going to be a little slower to build up at first, but it can compound over time. So you do something today, like you make one post, and then tomorrow you have that post working for you, and then you have another post you add to it, another one, and all those posts, all that content you create are like DMs that you're sending out to people. So instead of DMing people, you create content, and the content is going out there and getting the attention of people. Okay, that's really what a sales funnel is it's getting people's attention, it's qualifying them, it's following up with them, it's selling them, and then it's repeating the process for your team, okay, through training them or retaining them as a customer. And then you just cycle through that funnel again and again and again. If you want to learn about that sales funnel, then come join the 5-day digital recruiting challenge. Again, I'll teach more ways about how to actually have everything be passive attention, getting people's attention in an automated way, following up with them in an automated way, generating leads and sales in an automated way, as well as having long-term growth, training, residual growth for your team, all passively as well. So that's inside the 5-day digital recruiting challenge. Come and join. It's free, and I'll see you guys on the inside.